So today guys, we're doing some electrical control for our deep well water pump, and I feel sorry for the control because it's too messy, and I hope you understand. So this is just a small control, a direct online. Alright, so we are now arranging the wirings so that it will looks good, and we will test this. Alright, so we will see its functionality, if it's acceptable or not. Okay, so this is our buttons, indicators. We have selector, stop, start, emergency stop, fault indicator, stop indicator, and running. So it's a simple all this hard wiring. Alright, so you can see we have a main contactor, the control, single pole circuit breaker for our control, and 3-phase circuit breaker for our power circuit. So arranging, and we will test this after. Okay, so if you like the video, don't forget guys to like and subscribe for my little YouTube channel. So I hope you subscribe. Right. Alright, so we're now finished clearing up the messy wiring inside, and this is the final little arrangement. Alright, so it's now ready to test. Okay, right, we test na. Test. Yeah. The control voltage. Please insert the control voltage. So it's turn off first the control. Okay. Okay, so let us on the control. So as you can see, it is in a stop mode. Selector, start. Okay, running. Contactor energize. Stop. Okay, in stop mode, and start again. Start. Let's try the trip. Okay, so trip, manual trip. So it is now in orange, yellow. In fault mode, stop, fault. So reset. Reset. No more fault. So it's in stop mode. Let us try the emergency stop. Emergency stop. Alright, so okay, pwede na. Ay, thank you guys.